Welcome to Math with Karen. Let's talk fractions. So kids are told to memorize these words, and I'm going to help you understand them instead of just being able to say them. So this is a fraction. This is a demonstration of a fraction. We'll pretend this is a cake, a birthday cake with purple icing. So this cake has been cut into 4 equal pieces. So the bottom number is the total number of equal pieces in the whole, or the whole cake, the whole cookie, you name it, whatever you want this circle to represent. The 3 is the top number, and it is actually the number of the pieces we're talking about. So if, for example, someone asked, how much cake is left? We could say, well, there are 3 of the 4 pieces left over. So we're talking about 3 parts of all 4 parts. So the top number is actually called a numerator, and it tells what we're being asked about. It's the number that we're discussing, the number that is the answer to the question. The bottom number is called the denominator. It is down, in case they need a little trick there. The denominator is down, and it is the total number of pieces. Now, a common mistake that kids make is they want to say 3 and 1. They want that 1 because it's not purple to be part of the fraction. So once we understand and we can explain, oh, the numerator, the top number, that's the part we're asking or talking about. And the denominator, the bottom number, is the total number of equal parts. Now, if you can explain this to anyone, then you own this skill. Now, parents, fractions were meant to be taught step by step. So in our next video, we're going to talk about how to read the fraction, how we would actually say this fraction. So, see you there.